Introducing the Eureka NEW400 2-in-1 wet-dry vacuum cleaner. Installation and disassembly of the handle. Charging. Disassembly and assembly of clean water tank and water injection. Remarks: it is normal for water to overflow by manually pressing the water valve position of the clean water tank. Startup and cleaning. Mode usage instructions. Mode usage instructions. Vertical pause function. Self-cleaning. Disassembly and assembly of rolling brush. Dirty water tank cleaning. Cleaning of roller brush cover and roller brush. Cleaning of the suction port of the floor brush. Misreporting dirty water tank full. Water spurts out from the air outlet. Below the dirty water tank is an air outlet. Reduced suction, increased residual water, or blocked suction port. Pressing the on button did not respond, the charging did not respond. There is a noise in the position of the floor brush. Self-cleaning cannot be turned on. Machine running forward during self-cleaning. Excessive residual water on the base after self-cleaning.